Yeah, it's been a long time since I made any range videos. My new computer, it's an i9. My old one was an i7, but it won't let me edit in 4K. So every time I push play on one of these cameras, I'm basically uploading to YouTube and using YouTube to cut off any sections of video I don't want. But yeah, I just got done shooting, so I'm basically just taking one day and making 2 videos. But whenever I get done shooting, I always go and police all that brass. I go pick up all the brass, and maybe, I don't know if a person's just messy. I don't know if a guy will think he's some kind of alpha male, and that's like his way of leaving his poo-poo behind to show everyone he was there. I mean, I don't know why people don't do it. Sometimes when people have come out and shot, I've just kind of cleared out real quick because I didn't want to be around them while they're shooting and picking up brass, and I make a point now to come out alone anyway. But don't get me wrong, I've done it just kind of out of necessity a couple times. But whenever I come to the range, I always make sure there's no one else out here. I make sure I'm the only one shooting, and when I'm done, I'll get out here and pick up the brass. And I sort of look at people's character as, at least, are they trying to pick up the brass? Are they picking up after themselves? Because, I mean, a lot of times, in shooting, like, I don't know what the deal is, but anyway, there's that. Or people leave their targets behind, and it's a mess. The target's got some value and somebody else can use it, I can see that. And also, I was out here with the gear on doing some drills, and a long time ago, I remember some people were on here saying, calling me Meal Team 6 and stuff like that. Like that's never been used before. The whole term Meal Team 6 has never been, like, that's the best they could come up with. And I tell you what, I think that if that person is actually going to the range and training on a regular basis, and tactical things are kind of their trade, or they're into that, whatever. But if a person's that just kind of never gets to the range, whatever, I don't know. I don't think they have a place to talk, because at least I'm out here with gear on, seeing what it's like to shoot with gear on, and working through the difficulties that gear and even my weight may even provide. And I know I need to run, and I know I need to work out, but I don't know, just a couple thoughts. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and do some drills out here. I'm going to do 2 on each target using a shot timer. And my personal opinion is that I still think that these things are the best things anybody can get. And even at, like, whatever I paid $230 for it, it's one of the cheapest pieces of shooting gear I ever bought. Okay? I push the button on the side, and I can actually see how fast I'm doing, and I can actually try to beat those times. Also think that steel targets are some of the cheapest things that I went ahead and bought as far as shooting gear. Instead of buying a new gun, now I can ping steel. That totally changes things. So anyways, I'm going to belly up to the range here. Kind of got my spot marked out. And, back when I had access to my editor and I can compile videos, I could actually add videos and narration. It was nice, but I don't know. I've never been really more disappointed when I bought my new computer and I found out I couldn't edit 4K. I mean, it's a desktop. It's huge. The people who make my editor wouldn't send me an older version. And, I mean, it's just... But I'm still able to crunch out 4K, and I'm still able to do that. I was trying to do some 1080 for a while. Well, if I had to do 1080, why did I worry about buying a new computer? I mean, it's very disappointing. But other than that, hey, I live a pretty good life, and I'm pretty happy right now. And I got to say, actually, things are doing very well. I'm out here shooting. I'm out here working a nice productive session. I got some rifle done a few minutes ago. I got this done. I'm gonna drink some Gatorade and eat a protein bar and put that hydration back in me. Right now, I'm gonna be out here pinging some targets and see if I can beat some times. So go for it. gotta get used to not choking on the reloads. .73. .77. So I think this time what I'll do is I'll take one mag and I'll focus just on drawing and hitting one target. took a class. There was this lady, you know, I forgot how old she was. I mean, she was definitely like, you know, a baby boomer. But she was pulling a Glock 19. I think she was pretty much hitting that target around. Let's say it's like it was under 2 seconds. It was like 1.50. I said, man, you are just smoking fast. Then her speed started to kind of slow down. I said, what are you slowing down for? You're supposed to speed up after that. She was quick. Okay, I got one more mag. I might just go ahead and see if I can do some more splits here. I got 5 more rounds I can top off with, and I'll just start off with that. So just to get rid of this ammunition. So just shoot till slide lock. See how fast. See how I can get some split 2 rounds per target splits. See how fast I can get those up. That's more of a box drill. 3.29. Shade.